continue to number 16.
This is your captain speaking. Weather conditions right now, very rainy and windy out there now. But it, we're going to take off anyway.
Hello, BBC.
May I excuse you, sir? Your telephone is ringing.
You have 113 new messages. Oh, my.
Yeah, I was just wondering, well, where the newspaper boy was. Haven't seen a newspaper in a couple days. Wondering if he ever gonna come back. Guess who? Sorry to leave you so many messages. Just lonely here, thinking about the muscle-down paper boy. Wishing he'd come by and bring me some good news. Where are you? Oh, you're starting to piss me off, you little piglet son of a bitch. Call me.
Pick up the phone, 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 yeah, yeah.
If you answer the phone in the next 3 seconds, you could win a brand new convertible. Oh, so close.
¿Ves? Un poquito más fuerte. Ya. Más poquito.
Wait, answer your phone. If you don't answer the phone in 2 seconds, I'm gonna send the boys round.
General quarters, all hands man your battle stations, all hands man your battle stations. This is a drill.
Ring-a-ling-ling on the telephone, get off your butt and get that phone. Get out of bed, you lazy little...
God's gift to women, wanted on line 1. God's gift to women, pick up. This means you, pal. You are something else, my man. Give me 5.
Hello? Can you hear me? I'm in here. Yes. Pick me up. Now. Open the eyes. Open up. Let me out. Please. Come on.
Oh.
Hello? Are you there? Pick up the phone. It's me. Hello?
Hello, Moto.
Oh, is that the next one?
You know why that is? That's right. It's the phone for you, gringo. And you better answer it quick, man.
Contesta rápido tu teléfono porque son tus amigotes para invitarte una cerveza. ¡Uy! ¡Ay, Homero, yo también quiero cerveza! Ay, nomás que este pendejo conteste la línea.
I want you to answer my call. And if you don't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Cause this is so crazy. I am so crazy. So just pick up the beep phone.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good morning. Thank you, please. Your telephone is ringing. Please pick up. It is most important, please. Thank you, please. Goodbye, thank you. Hello.
Note to self, oh.
Sorry, guys.
Note to self, always answer the phone with a smile and be nice to people because they will be nice to you. Wicked.
Oh, feck, me mobile thingy's ringing. Michael, will you answer your phone before your wife puts your dinner in the dog?
Yeah, hi. It's your phone?
Hey, mate. It's a geezer calling on the other end of the phone, so pick it up. It's a very strange call.
I got a friend, my friend's calling me, yeah. You haven't got one, no. Yeah. My friend likes me, yeah, calling me on my phone. Haha, I got a friend, my friend loves me. My friend wants to talk to me, yeah, 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 yeah. Haha, you ain't got no friends like this, no.
You have SMS?
Yeah, call on line 1, Playboy. It's the R-U-L-E. Holla. Yo, I'm trying to do the damn thing tonight at the club, so pick up the phone if you're doing what I'm doing. It's the kid, bro, baby. Sweetheart, you got a call on line 1. Yo, pick up your phone. Holla at your boy. It's the God, R-U-L-E.
Wow.
It's just a call. It's all good.
Where's my lover boy? Will you pick up the phone?
Ma que salut, c'est Laurent des Patriotes. Tu vas répondre à ton téléphone, sinon il va te faire sauter le caisson.
Honey, your phone is ringing. You should answer it.
Master, I have mail for you.
Tienes un mensajito. Mensajito.
This is the voicemail lady. I'm really tired of taking messages for you, so pick up your phone.
I love to dance around the Mexican hat. I love to dance around the Mexican hat. Well, this is your mobile phone ringing. Pick it up or else I will keep singing. La 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 la.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to answer your phone.
Excellent. The phone is ringing, Smithers.
a message.
This phone is not ringing!
Oi! 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 Call on line 1. Call on line 1.
Do not take this call. Incoming call from the CIA. Incoming call from the White House. Telephone call for the king of the castle. Telephone call for the master.
Oi! You left your phone on silent ring again!
We got the
Someone is calling.
This is Captain Jean-Luc Picard of the USS Enterprise. Captain, we are being hailed. Yes, I know that data, but what could it be? A phone call? Announcer. Perhaps it is scanning us. But is it alive?
Captain. Incoming message.
Message from the dark side there is.
You have 937 messages, all of which are marked urgent.
Your boyfriend wants to talk to you. Take his call.
Your telephone is ringing.
It's your telephone! Pick up, 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 pick up! Only guacamole, it's
Your boyfriend wants to talk to you.
Yeah, hey, look, you probably don't want to answer your phone because it's work calling again. You'd think maybe just this one.
Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Making pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake.
Thank you everyone for watching, and these have been Funny Ringtones Part 2.